Hello and welcome back to the channel. Um, Today hopefully we have a very short video. This is my work laptop and it has been heating up very badly. So I've already taken it apart. I've taken the cover off, the screws on the cover. So all the screws you can see here. So they're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws. So by magic of video editing, I'm gonna snap my finger and the next time it's gonna be without the cover. So nice motherboard, I think. We have RAM memory, we have 2 slots for SSD, we only have one. Then we have a battery, and then look at these fans. Look how they're full of dirt, and you can see dirt over here as well. So first thing first, and also I forgot to mention before I started the video, do make sure that the laptop is powered off completely, not in sleep mode, but is powered off completely. So the first thing we're gonna do is take out the battery connector. Yeah, because we don't want any problems with the battery. It's a very tight squeeze here, so be careful. Come on. Oh, come on. Right, we got it out. That's good. So let's keep it that way outside. So now what we need to do is take out the fans and clean them. So what why I'm taking out the battery is because if you touch anything on the SSD controller or on the screen, those are working at a high voltage, so you can damage more stuff. Okay, so iFixit toolkit. Are these are M2s? I think this is too big. This one probably. Yeah. So we have one screw over here for this fan. So one screw over here. Oh. Be careful, these screws are really small. And one over here. They're the same size, so that's good. So we can lift the fan up now. Yeah, and remember to take out also the connector. Don't pull on the wire, pull on the actual connector, otherwise you're gonna be left with them in your hands. Okay, so that's one. And then let's do the other one on this side. On this side we have one, and we have another one here. This is another screw that holds in the fan. on this side. Okay, I don't think you can put them back the wrong way around because they have an L, so this is for left, and this has an R, this is for right. And of course these are M2 screws, so yeah, should be fairly simple, and you can do this at home if you want to. So I'm gonna take, oh, this bracket is held in by another screw over here. So this screw, yeah, right. And now we can take out this fan as well. Oh, come on. And also remember, take out the fan connector. Okay, so they're out, and this is what I wanted to show you. If you look how dirty it is. Look how dirty it is. So again, I don't want to bother you with seeing how I'm gonna use a brush and I'm gonna clean everything, and yeah, and then I'll show you how to clean the fans, and then we'll put everything back together. Right, so I've cleaned these areas where they go. I used a brush like this. Maybe probably is big, but yeah. Anyway, now let's go for the. Let me show you how I would clean these. So first of all, try and remove the bigger, like this, with some tweezers, or again with the brush maybe. I think they look clean. So now I would, if you use the brush, everything probably will spread out everywhere. I'm not sure if that's the, yeah. I mean, I can do it. It's probably not going to be pretty. You can use the brush, or you can let me move the laptop from here. I would use some IPA and some cotton buds. I'll show you how you get done one. Yeah, look. That's insane. It's absolutely full of dirt. I think I have had this laptop from work for about 4 years, I think. Yeah. And this will kill your laptop at some point, because this dirt will not let the air flow correctly, and will not cool your laptop. And you can see this Dell Precision 55 60 is very slim. I like that it's very slim, but at the same time, that's its worst feature, if I can say that. So yeah. So yeah, you clean each of these ones. As you can see, it's already looking better. Look how dirty it is. Oh. Okay, so it's already looking much better. It's not 100%. Look, I have to do it also on the back. So I'm gonna continue doing this. I'm gonna do the other one as well, the right one, and then I'm gonna put them back. I'll show you how to put them back, and yeah, that's about it. But I'll clean these, I'll put them back, and we'll come back for the ending of the video. Right, so it only took about 5 minutes, I think. So you can see they're looking much better. This one and this one. I mean, they look like brand new. They're not brand new, but you know what I mean. I've also cleaned here the heat sinks over on this side and this side. Yeah. All right, so now let's put them back together. So I'm gonna start with the right one, with the right side one, because it has the extra bracket. So you need to push it in like this, and then you have a little pin here that will center it here. If you can see it, it will center it. So that's all you have to do, and then you put the bracket on top of it. Yeah. Oh. And that bracket also has a pin, this pin over here, that aligns it. Okay, so then all we have to do is put the screw back. First, the first screw for the bracket here, and then we put the screws for the actual fan. That's one. Don't over tighten them, so really gentle tightening, otherwise you risk damaging the plastic. And a mistake that I've made a couple of times is I forgot to plug the thing in. Yeah, nice click. I don't think it can go in the other way. All nice and clean. I like it. So now the same with this one on the left side. So slot it in. This one has also a pin here. You can see it. Right. This one is a bit tight, so I'm gonna try and put the connector from the beginning. Doesn't have too much space, so connector in, then slot in the fan like this, and then align it with the pin, and then screws. And basically that's it. We've, remember, plugged them in, this one plugged in, and now the last thing I'm gonna show you is basically plug in the battery, and yeah, then we're done. And that's it basically. um, Looks really good. Right, thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. We'll do something different next time. Bye.